Hi everyone, welcome to Onetouch. This is Onetouch newly launched video phone kit. The model number of this kit is A4. It has a doorbell with 2 megapixel camera, 120 degrees angle, and this doorbell is 65 grain. It also has a relay for provision for connecting a door lock. This kit also comes along with a 7-inch Wi-Fi based indoor monitor. It's also touchscreen. You can connect this monitor to the Wi-Fi router inside your home and use it for using the mobile application for receiving the calls anywhere in the world on Onetouch IoT mobile application. Apart from this, this monitor also has a provision for connecting a SD card or adding a SD card up to 128 GBs, so you can store your photos over here. It also has modes such as sleep mode, at home mode, or leave home mode, where it enables you to get a message from the visitor in case you're not at home and unable to answer the call. It also has a provision to monitor doorbell whenever you want from the monitor as well as from the mobile application. You can also add 2 analog CCTV cameras along with this kit and monitor these CCTV cameras from the same monitor. As well as this kit is also expandable where you can add 2 doorbells and 3 monitors, in which you can also use the intercom features to call in between the monitors as well. Apart from this, whenever you press the doorbell, you get a live video call on the monitor as well as the mobile application. So you can receive this call from anywhere in the world using the Onetouch IoT mobile application, see who is at the door, and unlock the door for the visitor as well. This is the Onetouch Smart Video Door Phone Kit. Thank you. And video.